Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, this was a 35mm black and white film I shot. Well, as a matter of fact, this is the colorized image last year, and I have this colorized image that when you turn it off, this is the original black and white. Then I colorized last year on this one. Then this time I have pencil drawing type by Adobe Photoshop to use a filter called Find Edges, and so I'm gonna try to make something color pencil illustration type image from these two images. Well, let's get started. Now I'm gonna change the blend mode of this pencil drawing type image as always. Well, and let's change blend mode to maybe this is interesting things. I gotta talk about this. Okay, this is pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop. I said, okay, I did colorize this one. This is original and this is colorized. I just painted, but this one is the fixed image. So now just change blend mode of this, goes to color. Then nothing changed, of course, because I only got the information of color from this to black and white image underneath. So blend mode is color. Just studying blend mode, what the blend mode is. Then I open up this pencil drawing type. This is normal blend mode now. Now I'm going to change blend mode to, let's see, well, vivid light, pink light, some very see the color, but I want to try luminosity this time. Now this one looks like well, pencil drawing, color pencil drawing type image. There's a texture I'm gonna add from now. Okay, now I'm gonna fix this image, right? Then I'm gonna get, well, normal colorized face image combined to this image. All right, now from here I don't need to change this second layer to color and just bring back to normal. Then I'm gonna select multiple with these two layers to get one layer. Okay, duplicate layers. Then I'm gonna merge selected, so I get this image fixed on one layer, right? Now this is very well settled colors, so I can go duplicate layer, then one of this top, change blend mode to multiple to get a little bit darker color, double the color. Then I'm gonna merge down this. Okay, now I got this image. Now I'm gonna make color pencil drawing type image. Okay, now I'm gonna move this pencil drawing type image, move to over this image, change the blend mode back to normal. Now we see only the pencil drawing type. Then I'm gonna make mask. Create empty mask. Then reveal this with, well, check that dry media to pastel square. This is a nice pencil texture. Okay, on this with, well, not 100% opacity about half, 50. Then now hide. As you see here, bigger size. Well, a little bit more darker, about 60%. Okay, this is normal. Then this is the illustration luminosity effect. Then I got the mask. But I will review this. It's too much. Okay, now I just want to see all the images. Now turn this one off. Then I'm going to turn this one off. And I will see photograph image, right? Okay, in this case, I'm gonna turn this one on. Then make mask on this layer 2. Since this one has mask already here. We got to see this image. Then I want to show color her face to be photo image. So I'm gonna create empty mask. Then with same dry media type, pastel square to hide this one, to show her face photo image. This is interesting. Okay, about this much. Now I wanna make her face nice skin tone color. Okay, I'm gonna add, well, let's see, color balance on the effect. Well, I'm gonna make mask. Invert mask. And this time I'm going to change brush to basic soft round opacity. Now I want to make her face skin tone to be real nice. So go reddish. Then a little bit yellow. This is a mid-tone. Well, let's see. Then shadow side. Shadow side. A little bit too much red in it, so I go cyan. Then highlight side. Give it more red. Tone. It's red in it, so down. And give it green. It was pretty nice. Well, see this on and off. That's nice. Okay, now I'm gonna hide some more. Bring this one back to pastel square. Well, not much. Hide pretty much. Okay. I kind of like this. Yeah. Maybe I can add some more colors, different colors. Let's see. Just play around. I'm gonna add layer, then yeah, soft color. Yeah, I think that's about it. Well, I kind of like this. I like the image and I like the illustration type image. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is going to give you some kind of idea for you guys on creative work and making illustration from photograph. That's really fun. I really appreciate for you guys support, and well, you guys have a nice day and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.